Hi, I'll show you how it works with the new crons in version 19. It's much better for sure. So now we can process in batches, and I have a batch amount here, like 100 or 550, I think, as a default. And when I start processing, I'm pulling orders from Shopify. When I start processing, I'll do commit progress remaining count equal to the number of orders that I have to process. I have like 1,000 orders for testing. And after this, when we start doing, we'll do it in a batch. And after we have done one batch, now we can just say, instead of remaining, we'll just use the processed. That means that if we had processed 100, we say 100 here, and so it's going to be left remaining 900. That allows something that Odoo didn't had as a mechanism, which is you can run a sync every 4 hours, for example. And what's going to happen is that when the cron runs, if he's not able to process everything because there is a timeout on the cron, and this is simulated here because I just put limit time CPU to 5 seconds, what is going to happen is that he's going to retake on the second minute because he only rechecks every minute, right? So it's quite simple mechanism, but it works very well. I've just tested it myself. So if I enable cron, instead of waiting, I'll just run manually. And now it's processing, but he has 5 seconds to do it. And so we are in minute 39, you see. Okay, now we have CPU time limit exceeded. This on the log, it would show as a logger. I'm just running this directly on the console, so that's why you don't see it in a normal log line. But now you see 8:39, and as soon as the minute turns, we'll see that the cron will retake whatever amount of orders were left to pull. So I'm just opening here. I check my quotes, but it's going to start any minute. So you see we have 350. That's how much we have. I'll just do a refresh here just to be sure. Yeah, 350. Okay, and now the minute turns, and there it goes again. So the second minute is going to continue until he's going to do this until there are no more orders to process. And there you go, another CPU limit exceeded. So it's going to continue in the next minute. Quite simple and very useful. Uh, so great work with the team.